When it comes to welding, safety is the top priority. However, it's just as important to have a welding apron that keeps you comfortable and protected throughout your work. Whether you're an expert welder or just starting out, the right apron can make a huge difference. It will not only safeguard you from sparks, heat, and debris, but also ensure you can move freely and stay focused. In today's video, we'll take a look at 7 of the best welding aprons that offer both safety and comfort, so you can choose the one that fits your needs perfectly. Number 1. ecoZen Waxed Canvas Welding Apron. Starting off our list is the ecoZen Waxed Canvas Welding Apron. This apron is designed with the professional welder in mind, combining protection with style. Made from durable, waxed canvas, it provides exceptional resistance to heat, flames, and sparks while remaining lightweight for all-day comfort. The waxed finish gives the apron an impressive level of water resistance, ensuring that spills or splashes don't penetrate and cause discomfort. The design is ergonomic, providing full coverage from chest to knee, keeping you safe from flying debris while ensuring easy movement. It features reinforced stitching and sturdy thick straps that allow for a snug, adjustable fit. Plus, the ecoZen apron comes with multiple pockets, making it easy to keep tools and accessories within reach. When it comes to durability, this apron stands the test of time. The waxed canvas material grows more flexible with use, providing a custom feel without compromising its protective qualities.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. QeeLink Leather Welding Work Apron. Next up is the QeeLink Leather Welding Work Apron, crafted for those who need reliable protection and exceptional durability. Made from high-quality leather, this apron is built to withstand the intense heat and sparks generated during welding tasks. Leather is known for its strength and heat resistance, making it the go-to material for welders who want top-notch protection without sacrificing comfort. This apron features a unique design that covers the chest and legs, giving you maximum coverage. It's equipped with adjustable straps for a tailored fit, ensuring that you stay comfortable during long hours of work. The thick leather is not only resistant to sparks and flames, but also provides a layer of protection against sharp objects like metal shavings. QeeLink's apron is highly praised for its durability, as the leather resists wear and tear from continuous use. It is also easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. The apron is designed with an extra pocket at the waist to keep essential tools nearby, adding both convenience and practicality to your safety gear. Number 3. Jewboer Leather Welding Apron. The Jewboer Leather Welding Apron brings together style, comfort, and high-grade protection in one package. Constructed from premium cowhide leather, this apron provides top-tier safety for welders, ensuring that heat, sparks, and molten metal don't make contact with your skin. The heavy-duty leather material offers a superior level of protection, making it ideal for welding, metalworking, and even blacksmithing. One of the standout features of the Jewboer apron is its adjustable design. With sturdy straps that can be easily adjusted for the perfect fit, you can ensure that your apron stays comfortably in place throughout the day. The apron's design also features a large front pocket, perfect for storing small tools, gloves, or your phone while you work. In terms of usability, the Jewboer apron allows for easy movement, as the leather is flexible and molds to your body over time. The thick material also provides excellent heat insulation, keeping you safe from intense temperatures. Number 4. LahChak Leather Welding Apron. The LahChak Leather Welding Apron is a versatile and durable option for any welder looking for premium protection. Made from full-grain leather, it offers excellent heat and flame resistance while maintaining comfort during long hours of work. The thick leather not only shields you from sparks and molten metal, but also provides a barrier against sharp tools or debris that may come into contact with your skin. This apron is designed for flexibility, allowing you to move freely while ensuring you are fully protected. It features wide shoulder straps that are padded for extra comfort, reducing strain even during extended use. Additionally, the straps are fully adjustable, making it easy to achieve a secure and comfortable fit for any body size. The LahChak apron also includes multiple pockets, including a large front pocket for easy access to your tools. Its reinforced stitching adds to the overall durability, ensuring the apron stands up to the wear and tear of regular use. The full-length coverage offered by this apron ensures that you can focus on your work without worrying about potential hazards. Number 5. Hobart Black Cotton Welding Apron. For those who prefer a lighter material without compromising on safety, a Hobart black cotton welding apron is a solid choice. Unlike leather, this apron is made from heavy-duty cotton. But don't let that fool you. It provides excellent heat and flame resistance. The cotton fabric is treated to offer additional protection against sparks and molten metal, making it a great option for those who need reliable safety without the bulk of heavier materials. The Hobart apron is designed for maximum comfort, featuring adjustable straps that allow you to customize the fit to your liking. The cotton fabric is breathable, making it ideal for welders working in warmer environments or those who need to stay cool during long hours in the shop. The material is soft against the skin, reducing the risk of irritation or discomfort. In terms of durability, the Hobart apron stands strong against wear and tear. The fabric is reinforced at key points, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. This apron also comes with multiple pockets for storing tools, so you can keep everything you need close at hand. A Hobart black cotton welding apron is a fantastic lightweight alternative for welders who want to balance comfort with safety. Number 6. QWork Leather Welding Work Apron. The QWork Leather Welding Work Apron is another fantastic option made from high-quality leather, offering excellent protection for professional and hobbyist welders alike. The apron is crafted with tough, thick leather that provides superior resistance to heat, flames, and sparks, ensuring you remain protected during high-temperature jobs. One of the standout features of the QWork apron is its exceptional coverage. It provides full protection to your chest, torso, and legs, reducing the risk of burns or injuries caused by flying debris. The apron is designed with a crossback strap system, which helps to evenly distribute the weight across your body, reducing strain on your shoulders and neck. The QWork leather apron is also built to last, with reinforced stitching and high-quality hardware that ensures long-term durability. It features convenient pockets, giving you easy access to small tools, making it not only a protective piece of gear but also a practical one. The adjustable straps and ergonomic design ensure that the apron fits comfortably, so you can work for hours without feeling restricted. Number 7. LeaSeek Leather Welding Apron. Finally, the LeaSeek Leather Welding Apron is another excellent choice for welders who need high-quality protection. Made from thick, durable leather, this apron shields you from intense heat, sparks, and molten metal. The leather material is tough yet flexible, providing a comfortable fit that doesn't restrict movement while ensuring maximum protection. What sets the LeaSeek apron apart is its thoughtful design, which includes adjustable straps that help you achieve a secure, personalized fit. The apron also features additional pockets for storing tools and accessories, allowing you to keep everything you need within easy reach while working. The leather used in the apron is reinforced at the seams, ensuring long-lasting durability, even in the most demanding work environments. In addition to its protective qualities, the LeaSeek apron is designed to be lightweight enough for everyday use. It provides full coverage from chest to knee, ensuring that you're fully protected during your welding sessions. The combination of functionality, comfort, and durability makes the LeaSeek Leather Welding Apron a standout option for professionals in the welding industry. Choosing the right welding apron is essential for ensuring both safety and comfort during your work. Whether you prefer leather for its durability or cotton for its breathability, each of these aprons offers top-tier protection and convenience. By investing in a quality welding apron, you not only protect yourself from potential injuries, but also enhance your overall welding experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and welding tips.